Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to yet another Zach Vlogs. Today is Thursday. Yeah, it's Thursday today. I always forget what day it is, and then it's like too late. Anyway, today is Thursday, and today I had to work all day from 10 to 6, which is not actually that bad of a shift. But the next 2 days, Friday and Saturday, I have to work until 9 o'clock, which is not going to be fun. But it's whatever. I'll live. But I'm really excited because the next week I work like Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, and then I have Saturday off because of. Is that right? I think it's right. Anyway, because of Comic-Con, so I'm really excited about that. Really excited about my cosplay this year. I think it's actually going to look pretty good, even though I'm not skinny or anything like that. I still think it'll look pretty darn good with the prop and everything. So last night, I do have to tell this story. So last night I was streaming, and there's only a few people watching, and I was streaming, and it sounded like something fell in my closet. And there are two clips of this actually. I may or may not actually include it. If I do, they're here, and if they're not, then you'll have to just take my word for it. Anyway, because I don't really want to take the time to actually add them in. But anyway, it sounded like something had fallen in my closet, so I was like freaking out about that, and then I was like, oh, it's probably just this box, because I don't remember this box being on the floor. And then later, like I'm playing, and there's a screech, I mean, it sounds like a screech or a squeak of some sort. It almost sounds like a dog, like if a big dog was yawning, or a door was squeaking or something like that. And it scared the crap out of me. And then it also scared the crap out of Jester J, who was watching my stream. And we were like, what the hell was that? So I was freaking out, and I made sure all my doors were locked in the house and everything like that. And I was like, it didn't sound like it came from the game, but it could have been, but I don't know. It was weird. There were some really weird noises. So I don't know what it was going on, but yeah, so that was fun. Did that last night, and then we ended up talking about ghost stories and stuff all evening, and I told my story from back when I was doing, back when I helped out at the Sally house, and that was before I started doing Zach Vlogs. That was over 5 years ago. I just can't believe that. Because I was like, oh, maybe I made a Zach Vlogs about it. But then I remembered, like, oh, nope. Didn't do that at all. Also, I calculated, at some point I calculated, like, how many minutes of Zach Vlogs that I did. And I don't think it was accurate, but it said it would take 2.5 days to watch it's like two full days and like 12 hours or something like that to watch every single Zach Vlogs that I had. And that was like at the end of the year last year. So I don't know what it's including for this year, but I thought that was pretty cool. Anyway, that's pretty much all I'm going to say. Honorable mentions, shout outs, definitely go watch Jester J. He's got some pretty good content. Like it's like good, funny stuff. So you guys should definitely go check out Jester J. It's just Jester J on YouTube, and I think it's Jester J YT on Twitter. But you should definitely check him out because he's awesome. He's got some really good content. He streams, he makes video, like gaming videos, and he's just all around just a funny guy. So definitely go check him out because he's pretty cool. Anyway, I'm gonna go eat some dinner. Pippin, are you done? He's done. All right, buddy, let's go. Anyway, thanks for watching, everybody. Subscribe, tell your friends, and as always, cool beans.